Hi, my name is Misty Bernhard with Illinois Extension, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic cauliflower.
The ingredients you will need is 1 cauliflower separated into florets, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 cloves garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. First, wash your hands with soap and water. Then, gently rub cauliflower under cool running water. Cook cauliflower in water in a medium saucepan until tender for about 15 minutes. Drain and place in a serving bowl. Heat oil in a small skillet over low to medium heat. Sauté the chopped garlic for 1 minute. Remove from the heat and add paprika and vinegar, stirring it to mix it well. Pour oil and vinegar mixture over the cauliflower. Add salt and pepper to taste, and then serve immediately.
And here you have our garlic cauliflower. This quick and easy dish would be good on the side or as a healthy snack.
Eat, Move, Save.